it's me again. Today we're gonna be making a 15-minute meal. No, I wasn't planning on working out today. I just wear athleisure around the house for fun, but also this meal is about speed, and I wanna at least dress the part, right? I know, peeling zucchini isn't exactly the sexiest part of the cooking process. So sometimes what I like to do is act like I'm in a music video, making it rain. Yeah. Picture zucchini, making it rain, zucchini. Hey, I'm not a singer-songwriter, I'm a chef. Actually, I'm not even really a chef. Okay, time to zest my lemon. Where is my zester? All right, I don't have one. This should work. Okay guys, watch super carefully because we're about to do the hardest part of this recipe. Did you get that? So that took all of 15 minutes. I can't even order takeout that fast. Now I have all this extra time to check my phone. Well, I am exhausted from all of that cooking and phone checking. It was probably unwrapping the ravioli that did me in, but was it worth it? 1000%. I could probably eat all of this by myself, but I guess I have to share it with my family. Time to kiss the chef. Mwah! Great work, me. Come back next time to watch me get down and dirty in the kitchen. What? No. Well, I can believe that I've never liked her. No, it's true. Oh, sorry. Just another day at the Kaling household.